Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to record screen on your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings and then tap on control center. When you tap on it you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see option of screen recording. Just tap on it. When you tap on it you can see a new interface. Expand the tools menu and option for the screen recording feature. Okay, and after this you can see the conclude the recording by tapping on the dynamic island or using the square icon to stop it. Okay, and then when you click on the stop button you can see your recording has been saved in the photos or gallery. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please hit a like button. Thank you.